Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with another video from QGIS tutorial. Today we will explore how to use deep learning algorithms in QGIS for road segmentation. For this purpose, I'm gonna give you some information regarding the deepness plugin that we are going to use for this purpose. From here, this link that I will provide in the caption of this video, you can find further information regarding this plugin. Different models for segmentation, object detection, and so on are available here. I'm going to use this one, road segmentation, and its image that it's available here. Okay, I download this one. From the link, we can see its format, ONNX. Click on that. Define an output. And save. Back again. This time, download image. A preview of the image is available. And click on the link and download. That's it from this part. For the first step, I need to download aerial photos from USGS Earth Explorer. For this purpose, from my browser, I search for USGS Earth Explorer. If you have already an account, you can use login. Otherwise, you need to create an account. Since I have an account, I can sign in. Here, I can define a study area. For example, this city. By using your mouse, click on the targeted area. From dataset, aerial imagery, high resolution ortho imagery, select this one and click on results. These aerial images are available for some parts of the world, specifically United States, and you can download for each part of the United States or some parts of Europe. A list of all available aerial images are here, and we can check and download the one that is appropriate for our purpose. For example, I'm checking this one, and by clicking on download, it's easy to download this image. From download, again, click on that, define an output, road segmentation, data. Right now, I need to extract the downloaded file. I'm going to the folder and extract the file that I downloaded. Okay, very good. Until now, we did all the preparation for road segmentation in QGIS environment. We have data, we have model. Right now, I'm going to QGIS environment in order to go further for road segmentation. In QGIS environment, I'm going to use deepness plugin. If you don't have this plugin, you can easily use plugins manage and install plugins. From search, look for deepness plugin. By clicking on that, as you can see, it's installed for me before. However, for you, if you haven't installed that one, an option saying install plugin would be available here, and you just need to click on that. Since I have it, I don't need to install again. By clicking on deepness plugin, these properties is available for me. For further process, I'm using open data to add my aerial images. Since the format of my data is raster, I'm using raster from browser. First of all, I'm adding this one that we got it from the original website. Again, this time aerial photos that we downloaded. Both of them uploaded into QGIS environment. Since the coordinate system of them are not the same, they are not in the same screen. However, from zoom in, zoom to layer, I can see my uploaded data. Okay, right now everything is good. First of all, I want to apply the model on this image. Then I will apply the same methodology for the aerial photos. Okay. From deepness plugin, we have input layers. I'm defining road segmentation, this one, for the first one, and also I'm going to zoom in. From area mask, I can define I want to apply this process for entire layer, or from polygon. If you have a polygon, you can add it and you can cut your study area to a limited border. However, I'm going to apply to the visible part that I have right now. From model tab, I'm going to do a segmentation. For this purpose, I'm using segmenter. However, if you want to do something else, you can choose the other options. From model file patch, if you remember, we downloaded this one. I'm going to upload this one with the format of ONNX here. From browser to the folder that I defined, road segmentation. This is the file that I need to upload there with the format of ONNX. It's a pre-trained model that we will use here. Okay, click on open. Further details regarding this model is available here, from batch size, channels, height, and width of the images. As the input we have this, output also this. In the next part we can see several information also, how many bands this image has, and also so on. I'm going to increase resolution in order to reduce the time of processing. For example, 30 centimeters per pixel. I will leave the others in default and click on run. This is the result information, how many areas selected as no road, not road, and also how many percentage selected as the road areas. We can see here the results. I can change the color of classes. For example, for road, I'm selecting this color and deselect the layer. We can see easily the classified, or let's say segmented road for our images. I don't need this one. For this purpose, I'm removing this layer. As I said before, I'm going to use this model to apply road segmentation on aerial photos. For this purpose, I need the image. Again, I have to find an appropriate area for my purpose. For example, this area I'm selecting and zooming in. From input layer, we have to define the image, aerial image, the mask area visible part. The model type is the same, segmenter. Model file patch, the ones that we uploaded before. Okay, and all of them would be in default. I don't need to change anything right now. Again, I click on run. The same thing results is appear here, and from here we can see all of them selected, or let's say segmented, very good. If I deselect this layer, we can see the difference. As you can see from the result, road segmentation task has been done successfully, and we can say precisely for this image. You can do this for whole the image. If you have another image, you can also apply this pre-trained model. You don't need to change anything. It's easy to use and to apply. Okay, very good. I hope the content of this video will be useful for you. And if you like these types of video, please like the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your attention.